my name is Pedro Donald. We're in the Harrison Hotel in Belfast, and I'm putting on an exhibition of the artwork that I've been collecting for about the last 30 years. Well, the reason I have to sell it, and I don't want to, believe me, is I've moved house. I now live in the Netherlands in a one-bedroom flat, and I just don't have room for it anymore. I didn't want to put it in storage because I just don't think it would ever come out again, and I believe art should be seen. So the main reason for the exhibition is to find new homes for each piece. Some that I really don't want to give up. I've three beautiful paintings by Barbara Allen. One of Sunflower, where I worked, one of the American Bar, where I worked, and one of La Boca, where I used to work on Fountain Street. I'm very fond of those three pieces. I'm secretly hoping nobody buys them so I can keep them, but I'm sure somebody will. So I decided that, because I'm not doing this for the money, I'm doing it because they need to find new homes, but there will be money involved. So I'm going to give half the proceeds to medical aid for Palestine, which I think is a very important thing in this day and age. There's a beautiful painting there by Larkin Valady called Resistance, which I probably bought about 25 years ago, of a Palestinian boy, and unfortunately and sadly it's still relevant today. The exhibition's here in the Harrison Hotel, so if anybody wants to see them, they'll be here all summer.